Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to discuss a topic for the Terraform users that how to safely manage your infrastructure using state locking with Amazon S3 and DynamoDB. So in the today's video we are going to discuss like a state conflict. So what is a state conflict? Let's say when two or more users like they try to read or write the same Terraform state file at the same time. Let's say at the same time when two or more users are trying to change that Terraform file, this at this time this can lead to a corrupted state and drifting of the resources, or let's say failed deployments. For example, you and your teammate both run like Terraform apply. So whoever writes the last, so you are both are running the Terraform apply, so whoever writes the last may override the changes. So what the first person developer has done the configurations, he may override those changes. So this like condition is called state conflict. And some one more condition is that race condition will occur. So what is a race condition? A race condition is a type of bug where the outcome of an operation depend on the timing of another, like uncontrollable events in Terraform. So if two executions happens concurrently, let's say, they might race up to update the same infrastructure, leading to an unexpected behavior. So this condition is called a race condition. So what is the solution for this? So the solution for today what we are going to discuss is S3 plus DynamoDB. So S3, what S3 does is S3 stores your state file centralized. So let's say you are having a state file. That state file we will be storing in a centralized location S3. So where all the infrastructure is stored there. State file is stored there. So DynamoDB acts as a state lock. So it prevents simultaneous operations by locking the state file during an active plan or apply. So let's say during apply, the DynamoDB table, what it does is it locks the state file. And we will try to create a simple infrastructure. So we will try to imitate the condition of let's say both developers are trying to do Terraform apply at the same time, and we will try to see whether the state lock enables or not. So let's jump to the demo session, guys. As you can see, I am here in my console. So I am in S3 bucket section. So I will give a name of the bucket. So to create the bucket, I will give a name. So we are creating a bucket. So I will try to give a name with state. So the bucket name should be unique, guys. So state lock demo 001. I'll try to give the name of this bucket. Rest of the things we will keep as it is. We will disable the versioning, all those things. We will just give the name and we will try to create the bucket. So there is any issue here, like the bucket with the same name already exists. So I think I will try to change the name. The name I will give state lock demo only I will put. Let's see this time we can create or not. So I will try to put state lock demo 001 only. So I will delete, yeah, state lock demo 001. Rest of the things I will keep as it is. So I will click on create bucket. So the my bucket has been created. So the bucket has been created S3 bucket. So the next task what we have to do, we have through console only, we will try to create a DynamoDB table for locking the state lock mechanism. So I will try to create a DynamoDB table. So I am here in the console. So create table. So I will try to give the name of the table as Terraform logs. So I will try to write Terraform hyphen logs. So this will be the name of my table. So the partition key, I will give it as lock ID. So the partition key is lock. I will keep it as string. So rest of the things I will keep as it is. So by this I will try to create an DynamoDB table. So as you can see, it is in still creating. So now like it's active. So the Terraform, the DynamoDB table has been created and it's active. Let's go with S3 bucket. Is it there or not? So S3 bucket, what we have created, demo bucket, state lock demo bucket. Yeah, it's there. So it's there, and DynamoDB table both are there. So now we will move with the code. So we will go with to write the state lock code, backend.tf code. In the screen, I am in my screen in my project where I am having all the files main.tf, output, all those things. So in the backend.tf, I have created this file. So it is starts with Terraform. So backend is we are using S3. So the name of the bucket, what we have created now only state lock demo bucket. So key is the thing where my state file should be there. So in the Terraform sorry, the state lock bucket what I have created, in that in the dev VPC folder, inside that I will be putting my state file. So as you can see in the state lock file, it's nothing there now. So once I have used Terraform apply and I have created an infrastructure, then it will be having, in the sense like it will be having dev in that VPC folder. In that I will be having terraform.tf state. So this particular state file will be locked. So as you can see, so this is a Terraform logs table I have mentioned. So this Terraform logs table name I have mentioned here. So using this DynamoDB table, it will be locking our state file. So everything like region AP South 1, everything is there. So coming to the code, this code guys I have used in my previous video only. So that code I am using. So how to create an EC2 and security group I have used. So this is a very like light code. So I am creating a security group where I am allowing from SSH and HTTP. So I guess I am allowing from all traffic, all traffic. Yeah, so here I am getting a VPC, default VPC. In that I am listing subnets to create an EC2. So this is the resource block for my EC2. The name is like web server. So AMI, all those things. If we were talking this from our previous videos also. So I have variabilized these things. So subnet ID in the one subnet. So we will be having 0, 1, 2 like this. So 0, 1 be South A, let's say 1A, 1 will be 1B, like that, the availability zones. So in that particular availability zone, we will be having subnet. So these are all the variables. So here as I can see, like I have given T2 micro here only. I will use terraform.tfvar. So I will not give that thing here. I will delete it from here. So instead, I will use only region here. So in the terraform.tfvars, I will be giving all the values. Let's say AMI ID. So instance type and key name. So key should be, key is already there in my console. So that the key I'm using. So as you can see, output.tf, it's like instance public IP and security group name of the security group I have been giving. So let's come to the terminal of our git bash. So as you can see, I'm in the particular folder where I'm having the DynamoDB locked remote backend code. So this is the terminal. So I will try to run here Terraform init. So I'm already having the keys and Terraform installed. So credentials also have given. So after using Terraform init, it will initialize the backend and all those things, S3 and everything it will initialize. So once it has been initialized, I will resume the screen. So yeah, Terraform has been successfully initialized. So now what I will do as like Terraform, we will do Terraform format and Terraform validate, all those things. So it's already done. So we will go like we will like save. It's already saved, I think. Yeah, everything is saved. So let's save once again. So all the code and everything. So coming to the backend, it's also okay. So let's validate this thing, Terraform validate. So it's validated. Once it's validated, we will resume the screen. It's validated. The configuration is valid. Now we will go with Terraform plan. So it's, I think it is, yeah, it's once it comes, so I will resume the screen. Form has been like plan, it's showing like it is showing to add. As we know, it's like a security group and EC2 instance it is going to add. Okay. So as you can see, instance web server will be created and output IP and security group will be known after apply. Yeah. So here is the main thing. So guys, here I will try to do Terraform apply. So now like the log has been once I applied, say once I use the Terraform apply, so it will be maintaining the lock. So I'm using, so let's say I'm using Terraform apply. So some other person should not at the simultaneously should change, make changes to my code. Let's say I'm here only, so it's like in process. So it's already in lock state. So let's say I will open another terminal. So let's assume that this is another developer who is trying to uh, do Terraform apply from his terminal or window, let's say. So whether it will be like whether it will allow him to do? No, it will not. So let's check it. So let's say I'm again here. I'm doing Terraform apply. So let assume this as both developers are simultaneously trying to do Terraform apply. Once one developer, he is in like in process. He is doing it like Terraform apply is there. So now see again I have given Terraform apply. As you can see, it is telling that lock info, like they put items, everything, like the condition request failed, like it is telling that lock id path, where like which path it is meant having lock. So everything details it is giving. So let's see, you can see Terraform acquires a state lock to protect the state, like, so it is telling that it's been locked. So some other developer is running the thing. So let's say I will come here and I will I give a value yes. So let's say it's still in process. So it is like Terraform apply is still in process. That's why I was not able to do Terraform apply from there. So the state lock has been successfully like maintained, developed. So let's say here it's complete. As you can see, now the lock will be, let's say what you can say, the lock has been removed. So once it is Terraform apply has been done. So now coming to the S3 bucket. So the key I have given like dev, VPC and state. So there I have these folders have been created. So here it is my Terraform.tf state. So this is a centralized state file that will be maintained. So multiple developers can work on that, but the state file will be a centralized one which is in S3. So let's say the now it's like apply is over. So now this developer can do like Terraform apply all those things. So let's see what happens. So again I am doing Terraform apply from this same video, same window, sorry. So where like previously I was not able to do, let's see, at this time I was like whether I will be able to do, because there is no lock, so no other simultaneously it's happening. So like, yeah, see now you can see it's there. So as I don't have any changes, it is telling that zero to add, zero to change everything, but here I am able to make the changes. But when was in that log state, I was unable to make the changes. So that's all, guys. That's all from today's video. Hope you guys liked it. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. We will meet in the next video with some other topics. Thank you, guys. Thank you.